Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're diving deep into the biological mechanics of IV therapy and advanced cellular treatments. We're literally taking a magnifying glass to the cellular journey of hydration and specialized molecules, just to see exactly what's happening inside your body. Optimizing your physical health requires a highly strategic approach to nutrient absorption, and that's exactly what we're going to explore right now. Let's get into it. Okay, here's our roadmap for today. We'll start with the digestive bottleneck, move right into the intravenous shortcut, explore the anti-aging science of NAD+, look at how to choose your custom formulation, and finally wrap up with the actual treatment experience. Section 1. The digestive bottleneck. Why standard hydration isn't always enough. So, have you ever wondered why you still feel fatigued, run down, or kind of dehydrated even after drinking plenty of water and faithfully taking your daily vitamins? It's super common. And to answer why oral hydration sometimes fails us, we need to trace the exact journey a nutrient takes through your body's natural pathways. Now, don't get me wrong, drinking purified water and eating a balanced diet is absolutely the foundation of human health. But when your body is under physical stress, it isn't always the most efficient recovery tool. Think of your digestive tract like a brutal obstacle course. When you swallow a vitamin pill or chug an electrolyte drink, it travels straight into your stomach, which is basically a temporary holding tank. Right away, stomach acids and digestive enzymes start attacking and degrading the molecular structure of those nutrients. And the absorption rate? Well, that's dictated by gastric emptying, which gets delayed by things as simple as how much water you just drank or the food currently sitting in your stomach. By the time those active compounds finally reach the small intestine, they face yet another massive hurdle. And that hurdle is what we call the first pass effect. Imagine your liver and digestive system acting like an overly strict bouncer at a club. They're actively filtering out a massive percentage of these nutrients before they can ever enter your systemic circulation. What does this mean for you? Well, it means you're only absorbing a tiny fraction of the vitamins you actually consume. You are literally losing the original dosage potency before it even has a chance to reach your cells. Section 2. The intravenous shortcut, bypassing the gut. Let's look at what happens when we skip that whole process. 100%. That is the magic number you need to remember here. When fluids and nutrients are introduced directly into a vein, they completely bypass that entire restrictive obstacle course we just talked about. They achieve a 100% bioavailability rate. That means your cells have immediate access to utilize those vitamins, minerals, and amino acids for rapid physiological repair and energy production. Zero digestive delays. The contrast here is honestly night and day. Swallowing pills or drinking water takes hours for full rehydration. It's delayed, it's degraded, and it's only partially absorbed. But an IV drip, that offers 100% bioavailable nutrients delivered instantly straight to your circulatory system. Your cells grab onto this nutrient infusion super fast through processes called passive diffusion and active transport right across the cell membrane. It's like a biological fast pass. Now, to make this instant absorption possible, the therapy relies on a very specific base called isotonic saline. This is absolutely crucial because an isotonic base perfectly mimics the natural osmotic pressure and concentration of your own blood plasma. Because it's such a perfect match, your body doesn't have to waste a single drop of metabolic energy processing the fluid. The water and nutrients just move seamlessly into your thirsty cells. It's an incredibly effective way to combat chronic dehydration. Section 3. The science of NAD+, fueling your cellular engines. Okay, once our delivery system is optimized, we can introduce some truly powerful specialized molecules to target cellular aging and that awful midday brain fog. Think of your mitochondria as the engines of your cells, and a coenzyme called NAD+ as their essential fuel. It lets your body convert food into usable energy. But as you can see, our natural biology totally works against us here. By the time we hit middle age, our natural NAD+ reserves plummet by a staggering 50%. That massive drop seriously impacts mitochondrial health, leading to fatigue, slower physical recovery, and the visible signs of aging. But there's a workaround. To reverse this metabolic bottleneck, scientists use an incredible precursor called nicotinamide riboside, or Niagen. Unlike standard niacin, which uses a way less efficient pathway and often gives people this really uncomfortable hot skin flush, Niagen is a highly specialized form of vitamin B3. It efficiently crosses cellular barriers, bypasses those metabolic roadblocks, and tells your body to rapidly synthesize brand new NAD+. It's safe, it's effective, and thankfully, there's no uncomfortable flush. Elevating your NAD+ levels creates this profound ripple effect throughout your whole body. First up, it stimulates mitochondrial biogenesis, which is literally building new healthy engines for your cells so you have sustained physical endurance. Secondly, since your brain hogs massive amounts of cellular energy, NAD+ helps protect your cognitive health and keeps your focus sharp. Third, it sustains overall metabolic health. But the coolest part? DNA repair. Every single day, things like UV radiation and pollution damage our DNA, while NAD+ activates longevity proteins called sirtuins. These sirtuins actively hunt down and repair that genetic damage, and without NAD+, they just can't do their job.
Section 4. Choosing your formulation. Customizing cellular wellness. So how do we combine these advanced compounds? Well, the efficacy of an IV drip depends entirely on its formulation. If you're an athlete recovering from a marathon, a deep cellular hydration protocol uses isotonic saline and essential electrolytes to rapidly pump up your intracellular fluid volume. If you're, say, an adult between 40 and 75 looking for sustained vitality and neuroprotection, you'd want protocols utilizing NAD+. Or, if you're gearing up for cold season, an immune system protocol packing ascorbic acid and zinc is your best bet. Basically, the formulation dictates your precise biological outcome.
On top of those bases, these protocols use super specific, targeted add-ons. Take glutathione, for example. It's often called the master antioxidant because it goes in, neutralizes free radicals, and flushes toxins right out of your liver. Then there's high-dose vitamin C. Fun fact, taking massive doses of vitamin C by mouth can actually cause major stomach cramps, but getting it intravenously, it's completely comfortable and hits your system with a massive surge of pathogen defense. And let's not forget magnesium. It regulates muscle function, flushes out lactic acid to slash your physical downtime, and deeply, deeply improves your post-workout sleep.
Section 5. The treatment experience. What to expect in the clinic.
Now, a super common question we get is this direct-to-bloodstream procedure actually safe, especially for older adults? And the answer is unequivocally yes. It is highly safe when administered by licensed medical professionals. In fact, seniors often see some of the most significant benefits precisely because our gastrointestinal absorption naturally declines as we age anyway. But to ensure safety across the board, every single patient goes through a rigorous medical consultation first. The medical staff carefully reviews your history, current medications, and specific wellness goals. Because, let's face it, your metabolic needs at 20 are wildly different than at 75. Every formulation is strictly 100% tailored to you. You might also be wondering, hey, I've got a busy schedule. Is getting an IV painful? Is it going to eat up my whole day for recovery? Well, the great news is that trained medical staff use advanced catheter placement methods and strict sterile techniques, making the whole thing virtually painless. We're talking just a minor pinch at the start. After that, you just kick back and relax in specialized zero-gravity chairs. These are amazing because they promote healthy blood flow and take the compression right off your spine. And the best part? Absolutely zero downtime. Most patients jump right back into their daily activities, whether that's heading back to the office or hitting the gym, feeling noticeably more alert and totally refreshed. As we wrap up today's explainer, I want to leave you with a thought about your own daily routine. When you really stop and consider the massive loss of nutrients happening in that digestive bottleneck, the staggering 50% drop in your NAD+ levels by the time you hit middle age, and the incredible rapid efficiency of 100% direct cellular delivery, you have to ask yourself, is your daily glass of water really enough to fuel your cells?